Ayyo. Which program I need to run? Demo one. But I am running every time Daniel actually. Good man. Now I have a requirement. From these names, I wanted to capture only what are all names ending with SH letter. Naresh is ending. Next one. Suresh is ending. Next one. Harish is ending. Next one. Prakash is ending. Karthik, no. The next one. Subbamma, no. Next one. Subbaya, no. Now I wanted to filter what are all string ends with. What are all string? In string there is a method. In string there is a method. Method name is ends with, right? If what we need to do, if name dot ends with, and here just in between double quote you need to provide sh. Sir, your task is done. Seriously beautiful. This is so beautiful actually. Wow. Ends with is a predefined method which is available in string. When if any word ends with so and so specific word, it returns as a boolean value. It returns as what? Boolean. True. Where all it is matching the true, it is returning what exactly mean? Exactly true. Then the true it is filtering automatically. Right? Now ends with EL. Daniel and Samuel. Daniel and what exactly means? Samuel. Then EL actually. EL. Yeah, just try to say. Then in our program ends with exactly, sir. You got it, I guess. Beautiful. Let's take this. This is the one way. If you want, can I elaborate more actually? Yeah, Daniel, please elaborate more. Okay, hold on. Then let me explain about ends with method. Ends with method. Ends with method మాత్రం explain. Ends with method in string. String లో ఈ మెథడ్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి ఫస్ట్. Name equals to Naresh. Print name. Let's print name. I wanted to check either this name ends with sh or not. Then you need to call a method. Method name is ends with, and here you need to specify with what you wanted to check sh. It returns true. It returns what? If it is written, if anything returns true, think about creating a condition. Think about creating. Imagine here this name is not ends with el, then false. What man? You are getting, I guess, right? Let's just try to move on. Same thing I applied actually. Man, you know what? This is called as explaining the code from scratch. Scratch nunchi nenu explain chestanu. That's what you need to be understand. The same thing here I applied actually. Here I applied, right? Can I just try to explain one more time? Good, sir. Good. We are able to understand. All sh letter, where are all ending with sh letter, it is filtering actually. Right? Where are all ending letter with a. Subbamma, Subbaya, Rangamma, these are all things we can just try to filter actually. Am I right, sir? I believe you understand. Can I move on? This is the one way. Second way, by using filter function. By using what? Filter function. Let's do it actually. For loop. Same requirement let's do by using filter function. Filter function somewhere I covered. Did you remember? Yeah, correct. Move on. Result equals to filter. Filter function takes two parameters, madam. Second parameter always existing sequence variable. And if you want, you can just have to bring this one into the next line, this one into the next line, this one into the next line. That's still okay. You can do actually. P1 always lambda function. Always what? Lambda. lambda name column name dot ends with, that's it sir, sh actually. Now let's print result. Can I get a response? What is output actually? Come again, what is output? Naresh, Suresh, Harish, Prakash actually. Online team, let me check what is output actually. Online team, respond somebody, what is output? అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి. వినపడుతుందా ఆన్లైన్ టీం? ఓకే, ఓకే. All you guys are, I don't know, failed actually. Output is filter object. Output is what object? Filter object actually. Filter object. That's what, if I'm repeating any number of times, you should understand. Filter function returns filter object. Then we need to convert into list actually. We need to convert into what? That's what we need to understand. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, fine, then let's take this. Sir, same thing we are going to apply. This we are going to apply. Are you ready? Good. Go back and it's a right time. First, point number 1. So load all files. Point number 2. Filter only CSV file. I need your help actually. First point, you already know how to load all CSV file. There is a function name is a list.dir. There is a function name is a, you can call that all files you will get in the form of list actually. From that, I wanted to load only CSV file. I wanted to load only, can you help me with the code? Code help chesara meeru? I believe you can help actually. Cheppandi. Import OS, cheppandi sir. P equals to, in between double quotes, dot, backward slash, and Daniel, fine. Cheppandi. Now all files, very good, all files. What exactly? OS dot list to dir. Then, path. Then all files would we have? We have all what exactly mean? Files actually. Cross verify. From these all files, I wanted to filter only CSV file. Then just now I covered Naresh, Suresh, Harish, something like this. How you filtered actually? This one also filter ends with .csv. Ends with. Let's do that actually. Result equals to. It's okay, Daniel. Let's keep like that. Result equals to filter of which takes 2 parameter p1 comma p2. P2 always existing sequence variable. All files. P1 is lambda function. Lambda file dot ends with chapanda
CSV.
Yeah, ends with what exactly? .csv. Now let's just have to print this. Very good man. Very good. List actually. Done. Beautiful. I wanted to know total number of CSV file. Length, very good. Length actually. So you can just have to come here. You can just have to apply here actually. Can I create one small variable? All CSV file. You can accept this. Guys. Perfect. Now what is the next task? Create. Go to the flow. మీరు flow చూడండి. Flow చూస్తే before I'm giving clarity. First of all, files. Filter all CSV file. We filtered. What is the next one? That's the next step. Follow the approach. Approach follow అయితే మీకు చాలా ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. Then can I ask one question? What is dot indicates to? Dot indicates to. One more time. Remember that. We done this task. Now what we need to do, create, create data frames data frames with all CSV file. What exactly mean? All. Daniel, how to? Very simple. One small point, let me tell you. ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Kind note. OS module. Globe module. Get ready. We can load the files by using below modules. By using what module? Below module. Listen, ఇది చాలా quite interesting ఉంటుంది. Generally, we can load the files by using two modules. OS module is very old one. Globe is slowly, recently, new module. It is picking up. Real time we are using more actually. Even recently in my project I have implemented. Daniel, what is the advantage with Globe module, you know? What is the advantage with Globe module, you know? Globe module advantage ante cheppantara? Can you tell me if you are loading the file, Daniel? So please explain. Explanation about above module. About module is actually module. Can you tell me one file name? File name cheppandi meeru. Imagine if you are loading a file by using OS module, the file name indicates to like this. How it indicates to, you know? John file name elo undi cheppandi. It's okay. Let's take this one actually. Let's take this one. Can I tell you, to create a data frame, to create what's a data frame, we need full path. We need what's a fully qualified path. Full path actually. Full path. What do you mean by that? If you are providing only April sales, data frame will not be created actually. It need full path. It need what, man? What do you mean by full path? You know, full path and ento telusa meeku. Then if you are using Globe module, if you are using what module ana? Globe module, this file it will be display. Ela display chestundo telusa meeku? Go back and you can just to come here and you can just to assign this actually. First one, it will be displayed like this. Okay, seriously amazing. Frankly speaking, this file is required actually. Why? Because OS module will tell only file name, but Globe module it will tell this file where it is available. This pandas need this one actually. Did you understand? Malli cheptanu chudandi. Man, ultimately we need to create a data frame. To create a data frame, not only file name. Why? Because file is available in different directory, not in current directory. Then pandas need complete file actually. Complete with folder name. Who will give, you know? Globe module. Then let me explain about the Globe actually. We are doing end-to-end example by using Globe. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Let's move on. I'm explaining about Globe module. We are using in real time. This is quite interesting. Listen carefully. Chala baguntundi. I'm sure I explained with OS module. I explained with what module? OS module. Even that you should aware. From OS module you understand very clearly how to filter all CSV file. How to filter all? You understand, I guess actually. Okay. Now. Filter function. We done. Blah blah blah. Just why red color? Concatenating all CSV file. What module I'm using? What module? Let's move on. Follow the process. Process follow on. Okay. First, create a path. First, import OS module. Then create path. Path is ready. Either forward slash or backward slash, doesn't matter at all. Let me tell you. Inside OS module, there is this is the module, main module. This one is a sub module. Main module, sub module. Instead of this one, there is a function. Function name is a join. What is the function name? Right. So here P means path. This Daniel it will take actually. I need to. This is the logic we are preparing, sir. Nothing is there. Let me just try to print if you want actually. We are preparing files. What type of files you want actually? I need a CSV file. I need what file actually? We are preparing that logic. If you want to run this code, I should not run Daniel. Perfect. So first you prepare this path. Inside Daniel, I wanted to filter star indicates to all, dot indicates to current, dot indicates to current, star indicates to all files actually. Please understand this. Wow. Let me tell you. So please understand. Step number 1. Import globe module. Import what module? One more time. What module? Globe module. Globe module internally having a function. Function name is a globe. Group by method returns group by object. Filter function returns filter object. Same thing like that. Globe module having globe function. Globe module having function, sir. You are calling by using module name actually. Please wake up. Right. Globe module having what exactly? Globe function. Globe function. I don't know who created. Otherwise, I may ask actually. Anna, change the function name actually. Anyway, it is out of the box. Am I right? Otherwise, if I say globe, either this one or this one, you may confuse, right? But you have to remember. Globe module having the function name is a globe. Are you clear? If you want, I will give explanation. Filter function returns filter object. Map function returns map object. Group by method returns group by object. Same thing like that. Globe function, globe module having globe function. Globe module having globe function. If you want, I can highlight. Kind note. Map function returns map object. Filter function returns filter object. Group by method. Chapter sir. That's it. అలా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Globe module having what function? It's okay. Let's move on. Sir, you know the beauty? The moment once you are running this file, you are calling globe actually. What happened, Beautiful, sir. We need this one only. We need this one only. We need Daniel also. We need what? Why Daniel, I have one small question. Where your program is available? Coding. Where files are available? Daniel. Then the Daniel name also required actually. The Daniel name also required. To create a CSV file, to create a data frame, to create what subject? మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? ఎస్పెషల్లీ wherever double backward slash double single backward slash double backward slash came, globe function always returns 2. Why? We'll talk later. తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం దీని గురించి. That is not our topic actually. I wanted to print one by one file actually. How to print? Yeah, very nice man. Let me just filter all CSV file. Yeah, globe function, globe module. Nice. I wanted to filter one by one actually. Yeah, man, simple. So can somebody for Chapan sir for file in CSV underscore files. Then you can just have to print what, man? Wow. Amazing. Ready. We are ready actually. It's okay. Single quote or double quote doesn't matter actually. We are getting the folder. We are getting what exactly? File name. Now, though you know file, you can create a data frame. You can create what, Sajji? Are you ready, sir? Come on, let's create it actually. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ అప్రోచ్ సార్. ఇలా మీరు స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్ళాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్. You can remind me later. Why single quote and double quote? Why backward slash single and double slash later? You can remind me later actually. End of the session లో కూర్చోండి. Till now are you clear? ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను చెప్పింది. You are clear I guess. Let me ask a few questions. కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను, రెడీగా ఉండండి. భయపడకూడదు సార్. ఐ విల్ నాట్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్. మళ్ళీ మీరు రేపు పొద్దున్న సెషన్స్కి రారు. వై లెస్ స్టూడెంట్స్? ఈరోజు ఎందుకు తక్కువ మంది వచ్చారు? ఎనీ ఫెస్టివల్? ఏమన్నా ఫెస్టివల్ ఈరోజు? వెన్స్డే, థర్స్డే, ఫ్రైడే, 2 days ఫర్ వీకెండ్. ఇంకా 2 రోజులు ఉంది వీకెండ్కి. ఓకే, మూవ్ ఆన్. సార్ ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్. దో యూ నో ద ఫైల్ నేమ్, యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఏ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. You can create what, Sarji? Daniel, how to create? Very simple, sir. df equals to pd.read_csv, and here you can pass file. Then pd, you need to import pandas. Wow. Now inside of this one, you can print what exactly, df. And let me just try to print everything actually one by one, right? Memory issue. Wow, amazing, sir. First to CSV file, April. If you want to open the April file, do you want to print the file name also? మీరు ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ నేమ్ కూడా ప్రింట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా? Then do one thing. You can just have to print here file. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఫైల్ ప్రింట్ చేయండి. File. Then here you can maintain some small space. File name, data frame name. File name, data frame name. Yep. Daniel, April sales, data frame. August sales, data frame. December sales, data frame. Just a matter of one line actually. Previously, am I right? Single file, single data frame. Now, man, how many files actually? 12 CSV file. How many data frames actually? Chappan sir, 12 data frames we created actually. 12 data frames. Do you want to comparison? మీరు కంపేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా? Let's open April sales. మీరు ఇంకా నన్ను నమ్మట్లేదు. Open Daniel, open April sales, and what is the first name? Tell me. First పేరు ఏది ఉంది? Venu. What is the first name? Venu. In first data frame, check the name. Venu. Next to data frame, August sales. What is the first name? Karthik. Then intentionally I have taken small scale data. Intentionally I have taken only small scale actually. That too, this is the April, right? Date should be matched. April. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Fine then. So that's what you need to be understand. Hold on. So the point is, first two files, we separated all CSV file. Then next one, created a data frames. Created what, Sarji? All these data frames we need to store in list. We need to store in, am I right or not, sir? Why? Because concat function need list. Concat function need list actually. Please think. ఆ వేలో మీరు థింక్ చేయాలి. Wow, we done actually. We done this. Okay, are you clear? Though we need what exactly? List. Till now are you clear, sir? మీకు అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా? Good. So anyway, just for your better understanding, let me implement one more time. Import OS, import globe, import pandas. P equals to / Daniel. And all file, CSV file equals to os dot path dot join of, and here first one is the p comma, and here in backward slash star dot csv. ante kada. Good. Then do one thing, let us make it files. I need a csv files only. Globe dot chappan sir, globe of here what we need to pass, files. Then check all file names are ready. What is there, man? Very simple, chala simple idi code. That's it. We have all file names actually. We have all what exactly. Okay. Do one thing. All our backward slashes are coming, right? Come here. Here also you can provide backward slash. Perfect. You are getting backward slash file name, backward slash file name, backward slash file name actually. Now one by one file we need to print. Right? Sir, ఇప్పటివరకు నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా? Can I continue? Good. Let's continue. Previously what I done, I created a for loop. I'm creating a data frame. I'm creating. Instead of that, let us go for list comprehension. Let us go for. Why? Because list comprehension result is a list. Result is what? We need list actually. Manaki list e kavali ippudu. Okay. Now this is quite interesting. All data frames equals to list comprehension. P1, part number 1, part number 2, part number 2. I need only, just P1 and P2. Right. For file in CSV file, excellent actually. Here, pd dot read underscore CSV. Here you need to pass file. Wow. This is seriously super actual. List comprehension. List what, Saji? Comprehension. Part number 2. We are iterating files one by one. Here you can write anything actually. Logic I am implementing. What logic actually? Creating a data frame. Why? Because almost, look at my screen. Almost first data frame created, storing in list. Second data frame created, storing in list. Like this, all 12 data frames created, storing in list. Concat function need list only. Concat function need list only. That's what I'm using, list comprehension. That's what I'm using. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? గుడ్. Do you wanted to see? మీరు చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారా? All data frame. List is such a powerful man. Overall attended concat topic. For you it is very easy actually. Wow. List started actually. Yeah, good man. From here to here one data frame. From here to here one data frame, comma, next one, second data frame, from here to here another data frame, comma. Don't check with the structured data, comma. Like this 12 data frames are ready. Do you want to create a year data frame actually? Yeah, Daniel, year underscore df equals to pd dot concat, and here what we need to pass, all dfs actually. We create a 1 year data frame. We create what, Saji? 1 year data frame. So here, mostly where is the best logic, See, listen carefully. నేను ఒకటి చెప్తాను చూడండి మీకు. Concat function needs list of data frames. Then here you need to write a logic to get list of data frames. List of what, Saji? That's what I have written, list comprehension. అందుకు నేను లిస్ట్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ రాశాను. If you have written for loop, again you need to create empty list actually. You need to add first data frame, second data frame, third data frame. You need to use append method. Such a tedious job actually. అది చాలా కష్టం. Again మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. Okay, now here చెప్పండి, all dfs కదా, ఏమి ఇచ్చిన పేరు, all dfs equals to P1, P2. Execution always starts from P2. For file in CSV file, in your hand CSV file, then take that file, create a data frame. pd dot read underscore csv, create a data frame, frame is a file. Then all data frames you need to pass here. Wow, amazing man, amazing actually. Then seems to be index is not formatted. Index is not what such a formatted. To format the index, what we need to do? Index, ignore index equals to false. Ignore index equals to what such a false. ఇది మీరు అప్లై చేయాలి. Now total how many rows would you have? 108. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Good. Imagine if you didn't concatenate actually, from this all CSV file, separately you need to create a data frame and you need to count one by one actually. Now I wanted to know the total business. What I need to do? Product cost dot sum method. What method? That's it, sir. Hyphenate meters. What we done, total 12 months CSV file, we created a single data frame. You are applying total year scale operations actual. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్. Hey Daniel, so this is what step number 1. Load all files. Step number 2, filter CSV file. Step number 3, concatenate. Very good madam, very good. Create all data frames, create all data frames dfs with csv file. Fourth one, exactly, fourth one, concatenate. What exactly mean concatenate? All dfs actually, right? That's what all steps we done. Such a nice actual, step by step we given left and right actual. Now the last example. What is the last example? Hey, it's okay Daniel, we have a data frame. Can I download this data frame as a CSV file? Can I download this data frame as a CSV file? You can download actually. To load that one as a CSV file, take the data frame dot 2_CSV. Chappan sir, 2_CSV. And so this one is a sales 2024 dot CSV. Then at last you can write check current directory. For this file, for output. Let's run this. Go back. Did you notice? Few guys are sleeping. Wake up, Anna. Just 2 minutes. See, here just now this file is created. Just let me delete this one. Let me run one more time. For you who are all sleeping. Chudandi. Parallel ga. Ikkada chudandi. File is created. Now this data is available inside of this one actually. If you want, you can open this. Now, here onwards, if client is giving year sales information, any requirement, apply on top of this one. You can load this file and you can apply. Ante ka sir? Am I right? Such a great, I hope you understand actually. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. You have to do practice actually. There are few questions which I kept hold. Now it's the right time. Let me cover those questions actually. Good. Can somebody tell me what it is actually? One more time. Good. But in my document I applied tuple comprehension. In my document I applied what, Saji? Tuple comprehension. Daniel, why? Hold on. This is upcoming topic. I will talk later. A equals to P1, P2, P3. List comprehension. B equals to same story. చెప్తారా? Tuple comprehension. Tuple what, Saji? Comprehension. Quite interesting. Daniel, why? List comprehension returns. Did you remember? మీకు గుర్తుందా మీకు? Result returns list to data structure. You know what? Set comprehension Set comprehension. Returns. Yeah, very good. Set actually. Dictionary comprehension. Returns are giving result. Dictionary. Tuple comprehension. I don't know how many of you remember. Returns, not a tuple. It returns. Come again. Much better. Any idea? Anyone? Wow. Sneha Garu. Out of all guys, actually, one best answer. Appreciate. Right answer, actually. Appreciate. Right answer. చెప్పారు ఎవరన్నా మీలో? It returns what exactly mean? Generator. That's what here I have taken generator actually. Generator. Man, 1 hour topic. అసలు జనరేటర్ అంటే ఏంటి, దాని పుట్టు పూర్వోత్తరాలు ఏంటి తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. As of now, you can proceed with what exactly? List comprehension. What comprehension? But still the same example will work. If you are changing your code to, if you turns your code to tuple comprehension, trust me, your code will work actually, no doubt in that. Go to the file and you can just have to save this and you can run the code actually. You can run the code. You will get an output. You will get output, sir. Perfect. Okay, are you getting? Yeah, tuple comprehension I can talk later. This is the upcoming topic. We'll talk later. Why generator? Why generator actually? Generator, you know what? $1,000 question. $1,000 interview question actually. Interview question. I mean, if you answer, they will give 10,000 rupees. Just kidding. You should have. Good. Now there are some questions. Single forward slash, backward slash, some slashes we are getting, right? Let me cover actually. What are those? First of all, are you clear? Meeki ee topic motto ardhaina meeku? Did you understand, madam? Any question here? Do practice. If you are having any questions, I will cover actually. Let me cover. There are some points. Everybody look at my screen. A equals to, hello, good morning. And here I just wanted to write one small backward slash n. Let me run this code actually. Good. Sir, what happened, you know? What exactly happened, you know? Backward slash, forward slash, these are all called as a escape characters. What characters, man? Escape in the sense, backward slash, because of this backward slash n, you know, it went to the next line actually. It went to what such? But my main motto will be, man, don't go to the next line, print as it is. Print what such? Then you can apply one backward slash. That's what you will get. What exactly, you know? Yeah, as it is, we got like this actually. Make artha the sir. Why you need this kind of symbol, you know? Why? Because if you open any folder, always backend it is representing with single. Did you notice actually? Ikkada meer observe chesara? Did you notice actually? That's why, you know, we need this kind of you know, backward slashes. Backward or forward? Right? Now, so here backend globe function by default it is providing 2 backward slashes actually. 2 backward slashes. Meeku ardhamayinda? Okay. Anyway, not much important. If you are, you can just try to move on this example. Check below program output. Everybody get ready? We are going to write the same example one more time. Just a matter of 2 minutes actually. We have 3 more minutes. The same example in front of you, I wanted to implement actually. Get ready, sir. I need your help actually. Come on. Let us take first import OS. Ante kada? First import what such? OS. Daniel, why? Important. Next one, import. Globe. Import. Pandas as PD. Very nice. PD. P equals to dot backward slash Daniel. Then files equals to os dot path dot join and here two parameters actually, P1 comma P2, and P1 should be P path actually, path, and P2 should be what file you wanted to filter. I wanted to filter .csv, and here let us provide star. Star means all. Now it's a right time. CSV file equals to చెప్తారా globe and here files. Wow. ఇలా మీరు స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Yeah, we got all files actually, all files. Now in our hand, all files, but I need list of data frames. Go for list comprehension. Go for what? Still I covered for loop example also. Still I covered what example? That is just for alternative, but final example will be list comprehension. If I covered for loop example, you can feel comfortable. We know this example. That's what I covered actually, right? Man, what I mean to say that is for file in CSV underscore files, and here print off, you can create what exactly, you can just have to come here, df equals to pd.read underscore CSV, and here you can pass file, then here you can print data frame. Here you can print what such data frame. Data frame is ready, but we need list of data frames. We see here individual data frame. First data frame, first data frame, second data frame, third data frame, individual data frame. But concat function need list of data frames. Concat function need, but for loop is giving separate data frames. I don't want this. Go for list comprehension. Go for what? That's the reason actually. All dfs equals to list comprehension. P1, P2. Execution always starts from for file in CSV files. Then here pd.read underscore CSV. Such a nice actually. This is called as a real-time example. When I was explaining list comprehension, I applied square, I applied addition, Britannia examples. Those are all biscuit examples actually. But this is called as a real-time example. Right? Man, all data frames are ready. Then it's a right time. I need total data frame actually. Total year sales. Year underscore df equals to చెప్తారా pd dot concat need what such all underscore df. That's it. Done. అంతే సార్, అంతకు మించి లేదు. ఇయర్ అండర్ స్కోర్ డిఎఫ్, ఇయర్ అండర్ స్కోర్ వాట్స్ వచ్చి డిఎఫ్. హౌ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, like a spoon feeding actually. Don't ask where is the spoon. Total how many rows? That's it, we done. I will not write one more time. అర్థమైందా సార్? దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్. మీకు మంచి క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఓకే ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ? Cool. All right. Fine then. So we also done today's session. I thought I can start project also today. Jupyter also not yet started actually. Let's close this discussion.